I love me some good movie popcorn with the salt and the butter. Actually, is that stuff even butter? Probably not. And it's probably not very good for you either, which is why today I'm going to be making a much healthier version of movie popcorn that will taste so much better because I actually use real butter. Anyway, let's get cooking. Today I'll be using an air popper for this recipe, but if you don't have one, you can either buy one online, they're not very expensive at all, or you can just pop it on the stove. Let's go ahead and pop some corn. Now you're going to melt your butter and pour half of it into your popped popcorn, then quickly toss it all together. If you like your popcorn a little cheesy, you can add in some nutritional yeast flakes because not only are they tasty, but they also contain vitamin B, protein, and other minerals. But if you're not up for the cheesy goodness, then you can leave this out. Now it's time to add in your salt. Now what I recommend for this is that you add a little bit of salt into your bowl, toss it all together, and kind of taste test as you go just to find that perfect ratio of buttery goodness to salt. Because some people like it really salty, others don't. I personally like it really salty. Now add the other half of the butter, toss it all through, and then like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can watch one of my videos while you enjoy this popcorn. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and have a great day. See you later.